Nsokwunye na Mgbakwunye, which means clitics and affixes. Now, I want to bring again the scenario of Nna Obi na siya ga ahịa. And Obi ebe a wee sị nyenum ego. We are looking at the function of no na nyenum, the function of no na gaano, right? Mgbe Obi nna ya gwara ya gaa ahịa onye yi ego, nna ya bi chetara ya sị ya Obi okwe mana ị kwesịrị ịga ahịa, right? Ugbu a Obi wee sị nyenum ego. Now, let me tell you this. At a time, Obi's father is either reminding him or pleading with him or emphasizing that Obi should go to the market, it is not grammatically appropriate to Obi saying, Nyemego. At this moment, the most correct thing Obi should say is, Nyenum ego. Several reasons. Number one is that Obi is using no in his sentence to remind the father that you have not given me money, right? Okay, that is number one. Right? You have reminded me now to go to the market. Or now Obi is now like emphasizing Obi Ghana here. It is the appropriate thing for Obi to say is, you know, Mego. To remind, you've not given me money. You don't hear the halami, right? So if Obi says, Nyemego, you're welcome, Vanessa. Yeah, this is the place to learn Igbo, okay? Who be this? Your mother's street is not again. He said I talk too much. They were your mother's street. You're welcome. If this place is your first time, this is your first time of being here. Igbo kaina so. Abu mo yen kusi. Ubu ana ma kusi ihe. Oku ka m ga na-ekwu. Ịchọkwa na ikwuturu m gị bata ebe a. Ayiye gị igwe eji ekwu okwu gị gaa n'ihu. All right, Vanessa, you're welcome, okay? Yeah. So at this moment, it is Nyenum ego that Obi should say. Let us also say there was Southern grape lady. You're welcome. Let us also say that Obi, the father, is pleading with him. It is also most appropriate for Obi to say Nyenum ego rather than Nyem ego. Do you realize that if Obi's response is Nyem ego, it could have some undertone of disrespect? Nyem ego. It could mean that Obi is feeling forced, persuaded. They don't like to go to the market at that time. They are not happy that they're going to the market. Here may go. Especially when he has some gestural movement to say, yeah, Obi is not happy. Rude. Thank you. Ifiela, right? Rude. If Obi now say at this moment, here may go, it will be sounding rude. I want us to understand how our language works. If you one day, nke mbụ ịdị ezigbote ọcha, ọ dịzị m ka Igbo onye ọcha. Izazi aha na-abụghị aha Igbo. Na-ajụzi kedu ebe nwanne anyị nwaanyị ya si. Mana ọ dị mma ugbu a na ị mere ka anyị mara na ị bụ nwa afọ Igbo. Ndewo, anyị na-anabata gị nke ọma. All right, Ugonwa says, so question, based on the three reasons you listed prior, which would Nyenum ego fall under? First of all, it sounds polite. Nyenum ego from Obi would be more polite and respectful. It will be more of accordance with the theme of the communication from the father. Yenum ego. Because at this moment, Obi's father is reminding him, or Obi's father is emphasizing, okay, now, polite. First of all, the other one will be reminder as well, the second one. Obi is reminding the father, right? Like Usokufu said, yeah, please, emphasis. So you said it before I should go to the market, but you know you're not giving money. Right. These are the things we call nuances, cultural nuances. Tone is very highly important. Now, if Obi's tone becomes Nyenumego, and with the gestures or mannerism, it will now really mean disrespectful. It will now mean rude. Okay? And it wouldn't necessarily mean command. Because at this setting, Obi cannot really command the father to Nyemego, quote unquote. So it will mean rude. Yenumego. Okay? But even when Obi is rude, saying Yenumego, it is still reminding him that you've not given me money. It's Obi that chose to say Yenumego rather than Imani Yebemego, which is more polite. Okay? But the emphasis I'm laying for Igbo learners, those who learn how to, this is where you learn how to apply cultural nuances to the language. That's what we're trying to bring. And of a truth, the Nsokwunye Ainamo, Nsokwunye Clitics, one of the things it does is extra sentential, extra textual meaning, which on the other hand we call cultural nuances. It guides us in saying the things we should say in a way that is culturally appropriate, culturally acceptable. Anyị mara na asụsụ ọbụla na omenala ya so aga. Okay?